Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's jump right into it. Today we will be sharing with you 5 superfoods that boost your mood. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button. Thank you, and let's begin. Everyone wants to feel happy and of good mental health, but sometimes life can get in the way of feeling your best. It can be difficult to maintain a positive attitude when faced with daily challenges, stress, and a busy lifestyle. Fortunately, there are certain foods that can help improve your mood and increase feelings of happiness. In fact, what you eat has a major impact on how you feel both physically and mentally. Certain nutrients and compounds found in specific foods can interact with neurotransmitters in your brain to elevate your mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. By incorporating these mood-boosting foods into your diet, you can support your mental well-being and cultivate a more positive mindset. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 superfoods that have been scientifically proven to have mood-boosting properties. These foods are not only delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily meals, but they also offer additional health benefits. Get ready to discover the power of food in transforming your mood and overall well-being. Let's dive in. 1. Soursop. Soursop is a tropical fruit that is high in L-tryptophan, an amino acid that is used to make serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that soursop extract significantly increased the activity of antioxidant enzymes and reduced oxidative stress in rats. Another study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that soursop extract had a significant effect on reducing anxiety and depression-like behaviors in mice. Soursop is also a good source of other nutrients such as vitamin C, B vitamins, and magnesium, all of which contribute to maintaining a positive mood and reducing symptoms of depression. It is important to note that while these studies show promise, more research is needed to fully understand the mood-boosting effects of soursop in humans. However, incorporating soursop into your diet may be a delicious and effective way to improve your mood and support your overall mental well-being. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a rich source of flavonoids, which are compounds that have been shown to have mood-boosting properties. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that eating dark chocolate increased the levels of participants' favorite neurotransmitters, including dopamine and serotonin. Another study published in the journal Appetite found that consuming dark chocolate improved mood and reduced stress in healthy adults. The researchers suggest that the mood-boosting effects of dark chocolate may be due to its ability to stimulate the release of endorphins, which are natural mood elevators in the body. Dark chocolate is also a good source of other nutrients such as iron and magnesium, which are important for maintaining energy levels and reducing symptoms of fatigue and depression. It is important to note that the benefits of dark chocolate may only apply to high-quality, minimally processed dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70%. Consuming too much dark chocolate can lead to weight gain and other health issues, so it is important to consume it in moderation. Nevertheless, incorporating a small serving of dark chocolate into your diet may be a tasty and enjoyable way to elevate your mood and support your overall mental well-being. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and have been shown to have mood-boosting properties. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming omega-3 fatty acids from salmon improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression in adults with mild to moderate depression. Another study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that increasing omega-3 intake through supplements was effective in treating major depressive disorder in some cases. Salmon is also a good source of other nutrients such as protein, vitamin D, and selenium, all of which are important for maintaining good mental health. Vitamin D in particular, has been shown to have antidepressant effects and may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. It is important to note that it is generally recommended to consume at least 2 servings of fish per week to obtain the full range of potential health benefits. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is important to be aware that high levels of mercury and other heavy metals have been found in some types of fish, including salmon. In these cases, it may be best to limit your intake of high-mercury fish or to choose more sustainable and less contaminated sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as walnuts or flax seeds. Overall, incorporating salmon or other fatty fish into your diet may be a nutritious and delicious way to support your mood and overall mental well-being. Number 4, spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in folate, a B vitamin that is important for brain health and has been shown to have mood-boosting properties. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that spinach increased plasma folate concentrations in healthy adults after 4 weeks of consumption. Another study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that low levels of folate were associated with an increased risk of depression. Spinach is also a good source of other nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, all of which contribute to maintaining good mental health. Magnesium, in particular, has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure and improve overall mood. It is important to note that spinach contains oxalates, which can interfere with the absorption of certain minerals, such as calcium. However, cooking spinach can reduce oxalate levels, making it easier to digest and absorb nutrients. Additionally, those with kidney problems or a history of kidney stones should be aware that spinach may not be safe for consumption. Overall, incorporating spinach into your diet in moderation may be a simple and effective way to boost your mood and support your overall mental well-being. No. 5. Avocado. Avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on brain health and mood. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that avocado consumption improved the cognitive performance of healthy middle-aged and older adults. Another study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that consuming a diet rich in monounsaturated fats, such as avocados, reduced symptoms of depression and improved mood. Avocados are also a good source of other nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin E, and potassium, all of which are important for maintaining brain function and reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Vitamin K, in particular, has been shown to have neuroprotective effects and may help prevent age-related cognitive decline. It is important to note that avocados are high in calories and fat, so it is important to consume them in moderation to avoid weight gain and other health issues. However, incorporating avocado into your diet in moderation may be a tasty and nutritious way to improve your mood and support your overall mental well-being. In conclusion, there are many different foods that can have a positive impact on your mood and mental well-being. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods such as sauerkraut, dark chocolate, salmon, spinach, and avocado into your diet may be an effective way to boost your mood and support your overall mental health. However, it is important to note that the research on the mood-boosting effects of specific foods is still limited and more studies are needed to fully understand the complex relationship between diet and mental health. Additionally, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine which foods are right for you and your individual needs. Overall, by making informed choices about the foods you eat, you can support your mental well-being and cultivate a more positive mindset. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and share for more informative content about health and nutrition. Stay healthy and happy.